guys, it's Sandy here. If you're new here, I am a South African beauty and lifestyle YouTuber. I know I haven't posted for a while, but my studies has been keeping me really busy, but I've been really active on Instagram and TikTok though. And today I'm back with a snack haul. So in the past, I've done quite a few Asian snack haul videos with snacks from an online store called A Mart. And on the 1st of July, they launched their first physical store in Cape Town, and they flew me up to join them on their launch day. I'm going to show you some of the footage that I captured from when I was in store. Everything is so gorgeous and pink. They not only have the Asian snacks but also some imported American snacks as well. They even have the Mexican candy, the trending chamoy and tahin. They even have K-beauty products. They have the cooking ingredients. They have the snacks. It's just so fun to go there, browse, and get a bunch of interesting things that you don't often get to eat and taste and try out for the first time. They're also running a competition where you can purchase a lock and be entered into a draw to win a Nintendo Switch. So yeah, let's get into the snacks and I'll tell you a little bit about my trip while I'm trying them out, I guess. So yeah, A Mart gave me a bunch of like snacks and goodies just to try as I was leaving. So yeah, let's get into the snacks. I'll try some things now and some things I'm going to have to make in different videos. I might do that on TikTok. The first thing that I was really excited for, and A Mart said they got in because they saw I made a post about it. The Ocean Bomb Sailor Moon drinks. If you know me, I am a huge Sailor Moon fan. And Usagi, or Princess Serenity, if you watch the English version, she's literally my favorite. These cans are so cute. When I'm done drinking them, I'm going to display them on my manga shelf. I think you can see it behind me. The Sailor Moon one is pomelo flavor. I don't know what that is, but Sailor Moon! Sailor Moon. The other one is lychee flavor. They also have the One Piece and the Dragon Ball Ocean Bomb drinks. They even have the Boba Ocean Bomb. I'm gonna try the pomelo, the Sailor Moon pomelo one first, just because I'm curious as to what pomelo is. Maybe I know what pomelo is. I just didn't know it was called pomelo. Okay, now I need to open this. And I have... No! No, I'm not gonna drop things and be clumsy today. Not today. No, not today. Nah. That's besides the point. Oh, it's always time for BTS. I think pomelo might be a nachi or some sort of citrus fruit, giving a light, refreshing, citrusy taste. That's nice. They make really nice displays for like your anime shrine. I don't know if you guys have one, but I mean I have one. It's behind me over there. So first I'm gonna try is this Mexican candy. These are the peach hearts and it's already like mixed, you know. I've only had the one where you mix like the sauce and the spice and stuff. I've never like had the ready-made mixed one. So let's give this a try. So yeah, this was actually my first time in Cape Town, so I'm just so grateful for the opportunity to go for this launch, and it was really just such an amazing experience. I mean, Cape Town is so beautiful and I had so much fun at the launch because everyone at A Mart is just so amazing. Ooh! I can smell the chamoy. My taste buds went, It's because it's like not just one layer of flavor. You get hit by like sweet, spicy, tangy, salty. at a time. Oh, that's the nice thing about Mexican candy. I like the Mexican candy. Maybe it's because I'm Indian. And Indian people, as a snack, we put chili powder and salt over our fruit. So I like that, you know? So naturally, I like the taste of this. Oh, it even says here on the packet, sweet, sour, spicy, salty. I didn't even know that, but I could literally taste all of those things as I was eating this. Another thing about me, I love sweets. Next, I'm going to try these SpongeBob Krabby Patty gummies. So yeah, I know I haven't been posting a lot on YouTube, and I know like everything is different, like my background is different, my hair is different, everything is different. Do you even still recognize me anymore? But yeah, the past 3 months have just, you know, been really hectic, like a lot of changes. I see how I didn't know like what size these were gonna be or anything, but see, here's one. What flavor? It's like a cherry Krabby Patty, and like there's 2 of each flavor, I believe. So like 2 cherry, and then here's 2 grape. Oh, there's a blue raspberry and a green apple. I'm gonna go for the blue raspberry. I love eating things that are blue. I don't know if it's just me, but always blue. Also, like the blue slush puppy just hits different, you know. Here's my little Krabby Patty. It smells like slush puppy too. That's a good gummy. I'm something of a gummy expert myself, because I told you I love sweets. I like having a jar of gummies in my house. So these are really nice. I also got the Flaming Hot Cheetos mac and cheese. I'll make another video of me actually making this and trying this out. I've been seeing this on TikTok as well, so I'm excited to try it out. And then I got some of the Yopoki Rapoki. Now I've made this before. I'll put a link to the video, but like separately. Like I had separate noodles and I had separate tteokbokki, and then I made it into one dish. But this is like one instant version. Oh, sweet and spicy flavor. This is going to be interesting. It's salted egg yolk sandwich biscuit. I'm skeptical. I was told it's very nice. Salted egg yolk. Packaging is like this. That's cool. Individually wrapped. Open this. Here's the biscuits. That's the inside. This is actually so nice, but I'm confused. But it's so nice. The reason why I'm confused is because it tastes a little bit like an Indian type of biscuit, if that makes sense. There's a little bit of jeera powder in here, but there's definitely no jeera powder in here. But it's so nice. And it has such a nice texture. I don't know why I was thinking, oh, it's gonna taste like egg yolk. I think it might just be called egg yolk because it's a yellow filling in the center. I'm dumb, that's probably what it is. You know, like salted caramel type of salty? It's like that type of salty. Then I have these honey flavored teddy bear graham crackers. I'm excited because the Americans always go on about graham crackers being a thing, and we don't have graham crackers here in South Africa. So when they make s'mores, how do I say it? S'mores in America, they always use graham crackers. But we can never replicate that because we don't have graham crackers here. Or if we do have graham crackers, they don't call it that, you know? So I actually want to get some mini Mart. Wow. There's so many in here. Look. Oh, that's on the floor. There's so many in here. Ooh. And it's honey flavor. I'd like to get the mini marshmallows, make like mini s'mores with this. With little teddy bears. Oh. Graham cracker. I don't know if I can describe this texture to you. It's like a Pravita, but not as dry. You know those Pravita biscuits, like you start chewing them and then you like it's so dry. But this, it has like a little bit of a glazed layer, which is the honey on the outside. And it's not dry, but it has that like taste of a Previta biscuit, but then it's sweet because of the honey. I could see myself, you know, busy studying or working, and then I just have this next to me, and then the next minute I look and I ate all of it. And then of course I have to try some pocky. This is a honey and milk flavor. Never had this before. That's why I was like, oh, this looks interesting. Generally I love pocky and pepero. One of my favorite type of snacks. Got a little bit melted, so they were like stuck together. Okay, let's try this honey and milk. The thing is, the honey taste is very light. I will say it actually tastes like normal milk chocolate a bit, but it's got a different sweetness than if it's just plain milk chocolate, if you know. The last thing I have is this corn snack that they eat in the K-dramas. And they put on their fingers and then they're like, oh. It doesn't have a smell. That's strange. The funny thing is, I actually have nails. So, I mean, my hands look like that without this. Oh no! Okay, the one on my middle finger doesn't want to stay there, so I'm just gonna eat this first. No, but it does have a bit of a taste. It's like flings chips without the chicken spice. So yeah, that's all the snacks that I brought back with me. Huge thank you to A Mart for flying me out to attend their launch. It really was an amazing experience. The very first Asian snack haul videos and cooking videos that I ever did on my YouTube channel, I actually got those snacks from A Mart. Those videos did really well on my channel and I grew quite a bit on YouTube because of that. So it was just like really cool full circle of life moment, if that makes sense. I think out of all the snacks that I had today, the salted egg yolk sandwich biscuit was the tastiest. And this is the thing that I thought I was gonna enjoy the least. It's not something you taste every day or something that I could easily compare it to, and that's usually the type of things that I love when I'm like, this is a unique thing. And I'm not being biased because I love Sailor Moon. I'm also going to be cosplaying Sailor Moon for Comic-Con Africa in September. So yes, I'm going up to Joburg in September. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have any other video suggestions, please comment down below. Guys, please don't ask for a house tour because my safety is a priority. I'm not gonna be showing people where I stay and what I have in my house. That is just asking for trouble. This is South Africa, unfortunately. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.